students, once again, very good morning to all of you. Students, today we will do up our chapter number 17, pronouns. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of a noun. All of you know the definition of noun. Noun is a name of person, place, thing or animal. And pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Okay, like example is given, Ritu is a nice girl. Ritu is my cousin. In the second sentence, Ritu is a nice girl. She is my cousin. Here we are using she in place of Ritu. For girls, for females, we use she. Okay. Here we are using she in place of Ritu. She is a pronoun here. Okay. Ritu is a noun and she is a pronoun. Another example, Shweta, do you like the flowers, Kapil? Shweta is asking from Kapil, do you like the flowers, Kapil? I have brought them. Here U stands for Kapil because Shweta is talking to Kapil. Shweta के आगे आप कॉलन देख रहे हो बेटा, 2 dots, that means colon. That means श्वेता बात कर रही है किससे? कपिल से. Do you like the flowers, Kapil? I have brought them. Here U stands for Kapil. You is the pronoun which is used for Kapil. I have brought them. I is used for Shweta because Shweta is talking to Kapil. I have brought them. Them is stand here. Them is stand for flowers. श्वेता कह रही है क्या तुम्हें फ्लावर्स पसंद हैं कपिल? I have brought them. मैं उन्हें लेकर आई हूँ. क्या तुम्हें फ्लावर्स पसंद है? मीन कपिल से बात कर रही है तो तुम वर्ड किसके लिए, यू वर्ड किसके लिए स्टैंड करता है? कपिल के लिए. ओके, एंड देम फॉर फ्लावर्स. हियर यू स्टैंड्स फॉर कपिल, आई स्टैंड्स फॉर श्वेता एंड देम स्टैंड्स फॉर फ्लावर्स. मीन्स श्वेता, flowers and Kapil. These are nouns and you, I and them. These are pronouns. Okay. Next example, Renu. I like apples. That means Renu is saying these words. I like apples. They are good for health. I eat them every day. Here I stands for Renu. Renu is a noun here and I is pronoun. They are good for health. Which thing is good for health? Apples. So they stands for apple. Apples are noun and they are pronouns. I eat them every day. Again, them is pronoun, stands for apples. Okay. So dear students, a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay. Few pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. These are all the pronouns. Yes, dear students, we also use pronouns to show that a thing belongs to somebody or something. Okay, this is my book. No, that's not yours. That's mine. Yours and mine. These words show belonging. So these are pronouns. These CDs are ours. Ours means hamari. Yours are over there on the shelf. Here ours and yours. These are pronouns. They show the belonging. Okay. Now, C, exercise C. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Circle the nouns which they stand for. I'll tell you the nouns in these sentences and you have to tell me the pronoun which is used for them. Okay, so be ready. Water and energy are valuable. They must not be wasted. Again, I am repeating. Water and energy are valuable. They must not be wasted. Here, water and energy, these two are nouns. Now you have to tell me the pronoun which is used for these two nouns. Yes, Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In the first sentence, water and energy, these two are nouns.
No.
They must not be wasted. Which word is a pronoun? Which word is used for these two nouns?
Wasted.
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Aradhya,
I tell.
no one will say I tell. Only raise your hand.
Ma'am, wasted.
No. Yes, Shaurya.
Valuable.
Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they.
They. Yes. Water and energy are valuable. Water और energy valuable हैं. They must not be wasted. उन्हें waste नहीं करना चाहिए. किन्हें waste नहीं करना चाहिए? Water and energy को.
Energy को.
They word is used for, we are using here they word in place of water and energy, because we are talking about plural nouns, more than one. Water and energy. For plural, we use they pronoun. Okay? Is it clear? First sentence is clear?
मैम
Or is
आर
there
नहीं
any
होगा.
doubt? Yes?
मैम आर नहीं होएगा.
Are is the verb, helping verb. We are doing pronouns. Pronouns are the words which are used in
okay.
place of noun. Pronoun वो words होते हैं जिन्हें हम noun की जगह use करते हैं. ओके
ओके.
यहाँ water और energy के लिए क्या use हुआ है? They. Here we are using pronoun they in place of water and energy.
He or she it.
He, she, it, they, ये सब pronouns होते हैं. Okay.
मैम मैं अभी यही
Let me
कह रहा
again
था.
clear you. Okay, let me again explain you three types of pronouns. Personal pronouns are there. Listen very carefully. First person, second person, and third person. First person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. First person pronoun I, my, me, mine, we, us, ours. I, my, me, mine, we, us, ours. These all are first person pronouns. The first person is the person speaking. इन सब वर्ड्स में आप देखो कौन इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है? जो पर्सन बोल रहा है. I, me, mine, we, even we, हम में भी मैं तो इंक्लूडेड हूं ना, मीन्स जो बोल रहा है. अस हमें, आर्स हमारा, इन सब में मैं खुद तो इन्वॉल्व हूं ना बाकियों के साथ. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पीकिंग. जो बात कर रहा है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन है. एंड द सेकेंड पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पोकन टू. मीन्स आप जिससे बात कर रहे हो. लाइक यू, योर्स. एट प्रेजेंट आई एम द फर्स्ट पर्सन क्योंकि मैं बात कर रही हूँ. यू आर द सेकेंड पर्सन. आप सुन रहे हो मेरी बात को, मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. एंड द थर्ड पर्सन इज हम जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. लाइक ही, शी, इट, हिम, हिज, हर, दे, देम, देयर. All these are third person pronouns. Again, I am explaining. Listen very carefully. First person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. Okay, first person जो बात कर रहा है, I, my, me, we, our, us, इन सब में मैं खुद इन्वॉल्व हूँ. लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू द मार्केट, वी, हम मार्केट जा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब मैं भी जा रही हूँ ना. ओके, दैट इज आवर हाउस, ये हमारा घर है, मीन्स मेरा भी है, मीन्स द फर्स्ट पर्सन इज द पर्सन हु इज स्पीकिंग, सेकेंड पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पोकन टू, जिससे बात कर रहे हैं, एंड थर्ड पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पोकन अबाउट, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ही इज अ गुड बॉय, शी इज अ गुड गर्ल, शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, दे आर प्लेइंग इन द पार्क, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. All these are third persons. Okay. Is there any doubt regarding this? First person, second person, and third person. Is there any doubt or everything is clear?
Ma'am, everything is clear. Clear.
You can ask
Ma'am,
if there is
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt. Yes, yes, Yashvi.
everything is clear.
Oh, wait. Yes, Yashvi.
मैम सेकंड में समझ आया.
Second
Second
person pronoun जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. अभी मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ ना, मैं फर्स्ट पर्सन हूँ, आप सेकंड पर्सन हो. जब आप मेरे से बात करोगे तब आप फर्स्ट पर्सन होगे एंड मैं सेकंड पर्सन होंगी. यू आर अ गुड गर्ल, आई एम हियर यूजिंग यू. ओके, यू आर अ गुड गर्ल, आप सेकंड पर्सन हो और मैं फर्स्ट पर्सन. जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं वो सेकंड पर्सन है. यू, योर्स, जो बात कर रहा है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन है, और जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं दैट इज थर्ड पर्सन. All these are pronouns. First person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everybody?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
yes.
मैम मुझे
Wait,
थर्ड
Riya.
मैम मुझे थर्ड नहीं समझ आया.
Third person pronoun.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
third person is the person spoken about. Means हम जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Like he is very intelligent. He is the monitor of our class. He, हम जिसके उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना फर्स्ट पर्सन में है वो, न सेकंड पर्सन में. जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो थर्ड पर्सन है. शी इज माय कजन, हियर शी इज द थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, he, she, him, her, his, they, them, theirs, all these are third persons.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now may I continue with exercise C?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second sentence. Last evening, Manan practiced guitar very hard. He has to perform on the stage today. Again, I am repeating. Last evening, Manan practiced guitar very hard. He has to perform on the stage today. Here, Manan is a noun. Okay. Who will tell me the pronoun in this sentence? Only raise your hand. Yes. Shreya.
Yes,
Which word
ma'am.
is used in place of Manan in this
He.
sentence? Very
He.
good. He. For male masculine, we use which pronoun? He. Okay, very good. Third one, the giraffe can see very far. It also has a strong sense of smell. Here, the giraffe is a noun. The giraffe can see very far. It also has a strong sense of smell. Yes, Harpreet. Which pronoun is used here in place of the giraffe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम इसमें प्रोनाउन
Yes. Has is not a pronoun. I have explained you first.
Ma'am, I tell.
Only
Ma'am, I
raise your
tell.
hand. Only raise your hand. I will note the instruction in routine. I will not give the instruction in routine. Only raise your hands. Yes, Tanisha. The giraffe can see very far. Here, the giraffe is a noun. It also has a strong sense of smell. Which word is used in, which word we are using here in place of the giraffe? It. Very good. For animals and for things, we usually use it. Okay. It also has a strong sense of smell. किसकी strong sense है smell करने की? The giraffe. Okay.
Excuse
The
me, ma'am.
giraffe can see. Yes. Who is there?
Ma'am, the giraffe can see very far. It, ma'am, giraffe, ma'am, living है, ma'am, और it, ma'am, सिर्फ नॉन लिविंग के लिए लगता है.
Animals के लिए भी लगता है.
Okay, ma'am.
Animals के लिए भी हम it use करते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes
Okay,
we use he or she also, but
Yeah.
it भी acceptable है. It भी use करते हैं हम.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, fourth one we are doing. Teacher, did you participate in the GK quiz, Keshav? That means teacher is asking. Did you participate in the GK quiz, Keshav? Here, Keshav is a noun. You have to tell me the pronoun. Which word is used for Keshav? Shaurya? Teacher बात कर रही है केशव से.
Yes, ma'am.
Which word is used for Keshav in this sentence? Did you participate in the GK quiz, Keshav?
Ma'am, you.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. Here, you is used in place of Keshav. Very good. Next, Keshav. Now Keshav is answering. Keshav, yes, ma'am. I won the first prize. Here, Keshav is a noun. Now Keshav is answering to the teacher. Keshav, yes, ma'am. I won the first prize. Keshav is a noun. Tell me the pronoun. Shaurya, mute your mic. Shaurya, mute your mic. Now it's Harshita, it's your turn.
Ma'am, I.
Very good. I. And I is your first person pronoun. क्योंकि केशव बात कर रहे हैं ना. केशव आंसर दे रहा है. Yes, ma'am. I won the first prize. Next, fifth one. Ravinder Jadeja had hurt a finger while taking a catch. Therefore, the captain did not select him for today's match. Again, I am reading the same sentence. Listen carefully. Ravinder Jadeja had hurt a finger while taking a catch. Therefore, the captain did not select him for today's match. Here, Ravinder Jadeja is a noun. Tell me the pronoun. Yes, Kanishk. Kanishk.
Ma'am, him.
Very good. Very nice. Him is a pronoun here which is used in place of Ravinder Jadeja. Next, sixth one. Rupam, this notebook is not yours, Rosie. Rupam बात कर रही है रोजी से. Rupam, this notebook is not yours, Rosie. Here, Rosie is a noun. Which word is used in place of Rosie? Yes, Saksham.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupam, this notebook is not yours, Rosie. Rosie is a noun. Which is a pronoun stands for Rosie?
Ma'am, I or it.
I am talking about the first sentence, only first sentence. Rupam,
Ma'am,
Rupam is talking to Rosie. This notebook is not yours, Rosie.
ma'am, my.
Saksham, मैं सिर्फ फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, सिक्स के सिर्फ फर्स्ट सेंटेंस के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. रूपम बात कर रही है रोजी से. दिस नोटबुक इज नॉट योर्स.
Ma'am, yours.
योर्स, यस. दिस नोटबुक इज नॉट योर्स, रोजी. रोजी से वो बात कर रही है, तो रोजी के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज हो रहा है? योर्स. नेक्स्ट, रोजी. नाउ रोजी इज आंसरिंग, I know it is not mine. I only want to see it. Now in the first sentence, notebook is also a noun. Now Rosie is answering, I know it. Again, Rosie is a noun. Which word stands for Rosie? In the second sentence? In the second sentence, which pronoun stands for Rosie? Dipanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Which pronoun stands for Rosie? Now Rosie is answering to Rupam. Very good. Very nice. I know. It is not mine. It is not mine. It stands for, here it stands for, Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
It stands for, it is a pronoun here, it stands for, किसकी जगह यूज हो रहा है ये?
Ma'am.
It is not mine. Very simple. Rihanna.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I tell. Ma'am, I tell.
Only raise your hand. I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see your raised hands. I can see your raised hands on the screen. No one will shout.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is there?
Ma'am, notebook.
Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. It stands for notebook. Which thing is not mine? Notebook is not mine. Here we are. Very good. It is not mine. Mine stands for, mine is a pronoun which we are using in place of Harshita. Mine
Yes, ma'am.
is a pronoun which we are using. Mine stands for which noun?
Ma'am, mine.
It is not mine. Mine for, M-I-N-E, mine. This stands for?
Ma'am, me.
Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Mine word stands for?
Ma'am, I tell.
Rosie? Rosie is answering, I know. मुझे पता है, it is not mine. ये मेरी नहीं है. ये मेरी नहीं है. रोजी बोल रही है. रोजी. Yes, students, mine stands for Rosie because now Rosie is answering. I know, मैं जानती हूँ, it is not mine. ये मेरी नहीं है. Okay, mine stands for Rosie. I only want to see it. Again, I stands for Rosie and it for notebook. Okay. Is it clear? Or any doubt
Yes.
in 6th sentence?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt.
Is there any doubt in this sentence?
No, ma'am.
So clear?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. May I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 7th sentence. Okay, stop. 7th sentence. Teacher. That means teacher is talking to the students. Teacher. Children, you must not eat too many sweets. They are not good for health. Children, you must not eat too many sweets. They are not good for health. Here, children and sweets, these are nouns. And you have to tell me the pronouns. Listen very carefully, observe every word very carefully so that you can respond well. Yes, Tanisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Pronouns stand for children. Children के लिए कौन सा pronoun use हुआ है? Children, you must not eat too many sweets. Yes, try.
Ma'am, they.
They.
Ma'am, you.
Teacher is, yes, you. Children, you must not eat too many sweets. बच्चों, तुम्हें ज्यादा स्वीट्स नहीं खानी चाहिए. Means कौन सा वर्ड हम यूज करें? You. Okay. And for sweets, they're good for. Which word stands? Which pronoun stands for sweets? Now it's whose turn is left? Only those students who have not get the chance to answer raise their hands. Aradhya, you have got the turn. Aradhya,
Ma'am, no.
yes. Yes, now tell me the pronoun stands for sweets in the 7th sentence. Children, you must not eat too many sweets. They are not good health.
You.
Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya. Don't be hesitant.
Ma'am, my turn.
No, it's Aradhya's turn. Yes, let him try. Yes, Aradhya. Aradhya.
You.
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
you.
No, here you stands for children. Children, you must not eat too many sweets. बच्चों, तुम्हें ज्यादा sweets नहीं खानी चाहिए. Here you stands for children. They are not good for health. Which thing is not good for health? Very simple.
Ma'am, my turn.
They are not
Ma'am,
good
my
for health.
turn.
Saksham.
Ma'am, my turn.
Yes,
Ma'am, my turn.
Nikita. Yes, Nikita.
Yes.
Nikita.
Ma'am,
Kanish,
you.
mute your mic. Nikita.
You,
No, again.
ma'am. You, ma'am.
Yes, students. You for children.
Ma'am, my turn.
Yes, Yashvi.
Ma'am, teacher.
Teacher.
Ma'am, my turn. Ma'am, my turn. Ma'am, my
Again,
turn.
I am reading the sentence. Listen
Ma'am,
very
I tell.
carefully. No one will say I tell. No one will say I tell. Listen carefully. टीचर बात कर रहा है स्टूडेंट से, बच्चों से. Children, you must not eat too many sweets. तुम्हें ज्यादा sweets नहीं खाने चाहिए. They are not good for health. वो health के लिए अच्छी नहीं होती हैं. Yes, Harshita. Now tell me.
मैम
They, very good. क्या चीज अच्छी नहीं है health के लिए? They, sweets. Okay, here they stands for sweets. Clear? Aradhya and who has given the answer? Teacher. Yashvi, you have given the answer. Teacher is a noun here. Yashvi?
ओके मैम
Now the last sentence of this exercise. Charu, I know there are stars in the sky. Charu, I know there are stars in the sky, but I cannot see them. Perhaps they are behind the clouds. Charu is a noun here. Okay. Which pronoun stands for Charu? Shaurya?
यस मैम
Charu is saying, I know there are stars in the sky. Yes. Tell me the pronoun stands for Charu. I. Very good. I stands for Charu here. I know there are stars in the sky. Stars is noun here, but I can see them. I again stands for Charu. I cannot see them. Here them stands for stars. मुझे पता है स्काई में बहुत सारे स्टार्स हैं, बट आई कैन सी देम. मैं उन्हें नहीं देख सकती. Perhaps they are behind the clouds. Again, we are using the pronoun they for stars. Okay. Yes, students, we will do up to here. Tomorrow we will continue with the same chapter.